Hello South Africa. It is Wednesday, May 11, 2022 and here is Lifestyle Highlight. New Netflix film, Collision, stars Vuyo Dabula, Bonko Khoza and Sphesihle Vazi. Some of South Africa's top actors are set to collide in a new Netflix blockbuster movie titled Collision, set to premiere on the streaming service on June 16th. According to Netflix, Collision is a crime thriller film set in Johannesburg, Gauteng. The film, directed by multi-award-winning French director Fabien Martirel, The Gun Story and The Coin, follows the life of a man racing against time to save his family. Who are the cast members? Vuyo Dabula. Best known as Gaddafi on SABC1's Generations, The Legacy, Dabula is set to star in Collision. Although his character has not been revealed yet, judging by the poster, he will play the lead. The actor is known to take on villainous roles on the big and small screen but is currently showing his soft side in One Magic's rom-com Entangled with his role as Julius, who is actress Futhi Komo's love interest. Bonko Khoza. Also known as Nkil to the South African telenovela audience, the actor took to Instagram to share his excitement about bagging a role in the Netflix movie. Sphesihle Vazi. The actor and former Selematanzi presenter will make his Netflix debut with Collision. He is also currently causing havoc as one of Brutus' sons, Mlanjizai Khoza, in Zansi Magic's The Queen. Vuyo Sibiya. Sibiya is also no stranger to the South African film and soapy scene, as he has appeared in telenovelas Ring of Lies, Rhythm City and Zbondile. He is also one of the leads in Showmax's drama film The Jakes Are Missing. Other cast members in Collision include Langley Kirkwood, Invictus, Tessa Jabber, Isidingo, Sam Makoba, MTV Sugar, Fielo Cotello, Josie Streets, Louis Nkaya, The Republic, Themsenka Bully and Zoe Sneeden. Please subscribe for more news updates. This is Leah for the South African.